Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you all how we can actually add in videos to our Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So to do this, there's a few different ways. One of the easiest ways to do this is just to go ahead and add in a new slide. This way is only going to work though if you have the video saved locally to your computer. So let's go ahead and select title and content. Then once we do that, we're actually going to have this video option that we can select right here where it says insert video. But you can see when I select it, it's actually going to prompt me to go ahead and add in a video that's saved locally to my computer. And you may not want to do that. You may want to go ahead and embed in a video from Vimeo or YouTube or some other source. So let's go ahead and actually delete this whole section. And we'll just type in our title here. We'll just put video. And next thing that we're going to do is we're going to come over here to insert. And off here to the media section on the far right, you're going to see a video option. We have three different options. We have this device, which is the one that we just saw. We have stock videos. So there's stock videos that Microsoft has available that we can search for. So you can see there's animal videos and all sorts of things that you could search for here. But there's also another option, which is online videos. And this is where we could come in and we could add in links from YouTube, SlideShare, and Vimeo. So let's go and add in a YouTube link and see what happens. So this is just a random YouTube video, and this is just focusing, music for focusing. And what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and hit insert. And now what we could do is we can actually, right now it's taken up the entire screen, but we can actually change the size of it. So if it's not already selected, you could just left click it and then look for the, in the top left, you'll have the dot here, the dot here, the dot here, the dot here. If you want to keep the image from getting skewed, just go ahead and come up to one of the corners and hold left click and then just drag it to the size that you want. So this is probably a size that you're looking for so it doesn't take up the entire slide. And now that we have this in place, we can go ahead and we can have our video now added to our slide. And you also see this video format option where you can come in and you can actually format your video as well.